सभाघराच्या अर्थसंकल्प समितीचेर आमदार जोशुआ डिसोजाची नेमणूक केल्ल्याची माहिती आमदार जोशुआ डिसोजाक खंय खबरच नाशिल्ली. समितीचो अध्यक्ष सरदेसाईन ताका फोन करून समितीची बसका आशिल्ल्याची माहिती दिल्ल्यान आपली नेमणूक समितीचेर केल्ल्याचें आपणाक कळ्ळें, अशें अर्थसंकल्प समितीच्या बसकेक आयिल्लो आमदार जोशुआ डिसोजान पत्रकारांक सांगलें.
MLAs and all, like Vijay and all already.
By the chairman.
Yeah, he raised some valid points. Ultimately, it is for the people who are in the secretaries and the officials to give the response to his queries. That this is the first time this budget was. I also didn't know that I was on this committee. He called me yesterday saying that there is a budget review meeting. I am the chairman. You are a member. So that is the reason.
So